What's up, guys? We're back here with Nerf Squad. Today we're going to be reviewing two similar guns. The Disruptor. What's up, guys? We're back here with Nerf Squad. Today we're going to be reviewing two similar guns. The Disruptor and the StrongArm. They both look pretty much the same. A lot of unique features, but they are both pretty different. Any type of Nerf bullet will work, but we like to use the green zombie Nerf bullets. They tend to shoot the best out of the guns. The StrongArm can act as a revolver pistol with a rotating cylinder for those who don't know. Actually, the StrongArm and the Disruptor actually both have rotating cylinders in them. They're both 6 shooters. They're relatively cheap. You can purchase them at Kmart, Walmart, Target, pretty much anywhere you can buy Nerf guns. They cost about $20 a piece, and for the price, they're not really all that bad. So now we're going to do a couple of tests with the guns. First, a distance test, then an accuracy test, and finally a pain test. We got a dummy here today who's going to let us use him as a lab rat for the pain using a scale of 1 to 10. Honestly, I think they both work equally, but I have a feeling that the StrongArm will do more damage just from using it. It's a stronger gun. Yeah, here we go. Let's do a test. Alright, guys, we're going to use the Disruptor first. Pretty simple to cock it. Just done. Alright, let's see what she does. So we have about a foot of fall and then about 15 feet. Let's go ahead and see how the strong one goes. Same thing, same concept. But with this one, it's a little bit different for loading and reloading. There's a button here on the side. If you push that, that actually flips out for speed reload. Let's give this one a shot. Really about the same. They dropped about the same, about a foot and 15 feet. So we'll move on to the next test. We'll try an accuracy test. Alright, guys, this is our second test. We're going to try an accuracy test. Over there on the wall, on top of the pan, I have a green dart. We're going to try to shoot that thing off. Let's see what she can do. So she pulls to the left or to the right pretty hard. The Disruptor, you'll hit somebody within 10 feet, but as far as pinpoint accuracy, yeah. Let's move right on to the StrongArm. I don't think I need to shoot that one again. This one is pretty accurate. They fire straight out. Yeah, you can thread the needle with this one. Hey guys, welcome back. So we're gonna go ahead and do the pain test for our third test here. My brother, he's gonna be doing the pain on a scale of 1 to 10. And he's gonna use his bear skin to show red marks, and he's a little camera shy, so he doesn't want his face shown. So sorry, ladies.
You're funny.
So we're gonna use the Disruptor first. We're gonna do 3 shots, all on the our right, his left. Oh.
Oh, you got my nipple.
Alright. And now for the strong arm.
You gonna go by the other side?
Yep.
Oh! That was... Oh, wow. That was lucky. Oh! Get that last shot in there, though, because I use a bullet that doesn't just fall out. Oh boy, it's gonna be fun. Oh!
Alright, now you come here. 3 shots. 1, 2, and 3. And over here, 1 and 2. So 2 out of this Disruptor made marks, but you can see the strong arm. Yeah, it hits a little bit worse. What did you say that was?
I'd say the strong arm was like a closer to a 10, and the other one was closer to like the lower end of the spectrum.
For a Nerf gun.
Yeah, for a Nerf gun, it's pretty strong. And these hurt worse, and you can like see the welts, like shot in a perfect triangle too. Yeah, but this one that one didn't hurt that bad, except when you shot my nipple like right there. So like yeah, that was
Alright guys, so there it is. The strong arm out of the 2 takes the cake.
takes the W.
So yeah, we're gonna put this up against another gun in the next video that we do, and we'll just keep on doing it until we come up with a overall best gun.
Yeah, dominant.
And I'll tell you what, if this video gets 200 likes, just 200, that's it. It's real simple.
Why
200 likes.
That's a lot for a beginning channel, though.
200 likes. I'll shoot my brother with a dart with a pin in the end of it.
Oh my god.
We'll video it.
Oh, god.
Okay, I'm gonna see if we can shoot his nipple.
So
Alright.
don't like the video, please.
So hey, 200, and as soon as it hits 200, same day, I will shoot him with.
What about 200 views though, not 200 likes?
200 likes.
Well, views are easier to get than likes.
200 likes.
I can video more in like an hour. So.
Alright. So hey, thanks for tuning in. Like, share,
subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, please subscribe. And we'll catch you next time on Nerf Squad.
Oh yeah, let us know if we can get like a better camera and stuff, because we need one. Let us know where we can get that. Yeah, see ya.